My name's Andrew. My experience with Dropship Breakthru has been pretty awesome. It's the first course that I found, and instantly I had a trust for these guys just by the way that they spoke. In my day job, I'm in sales, I'm in business, I run teams and stuff too, and these guys harp on that stuff from the get-go. The real important things, not just picking a winning product, but really setting us up for success. It's all wrapped in the program. It's been great. I decided to join Dropship Breakthru. Again, I saw how genuine they were. Them sharing their experiences, showing what they've also accomplished, and their willingness to teach other people, it's a recipe for success. I describe this program as it's all in one. It's everything you need to get started. And then two, the leadership and the coaching pairs perfectly with it. It's everything you need to get started. Some of the growth that I've experienced is really just knowing that it's possible, and making that first sale is really exciting because you put in all this work in your little office at home or at your laptop, wherever you are, and someone across your country, the United States in particular here, buys your product. It's extremely rewarding. The community here is incredible. I mean, everyone that I've met friends from all over the world. We're usually confined to where we live in our little sphere of people, but I've got friends in New York now, London, UK, I mean, just all over the United States. The community is very welcoming. Everyone's on their journey together, and I mean, we're bouncing ideas off of each other, and everyone's super encouraging, so it's great. I think any entrepreneur looking to get started in this field of dropshipping, I think this is a great program for them. If you're looking for some help, but I think it's also important to understand that there will be work involved, right? And if you're a self-starter and you do have that drive and you're looking for that next thing, this is absolutely the place to be, but you do have to have a little bit of drive on your own to make it work. Dropship Breakthru is incredible. It's real.